this right here. Gonna be moving in, continuing this process. Alright everyone, so out here, day 2, and gonna be working on this airplane a little bit more. As you can see, looks great. One thing that I will tell you is that the aluminum looks fantastic. You can see right where what has been done versus what hasn't been done. You can still see the lines like up in here, but here it looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks like a mirror. Coming around the backside, same thing. One thing that I will say is on this aircraft, and you can see from here that has been done versus right here where it stops. So this is before, after. Before, after. Let me back up. That way you can get a clear view of that. So yeah, but making it look good as possible, rocking through it. So I'm gonna set up the camera. I gotta get scaffolding set up and some more things, and then work around this thing. And I gotta get up here and get up there to that engine cowling, and then do this midsection right here up there. But I gotta climb up there, so it's gonna be some fun. So anyway, give me just a sec. So this is before, after. You could totally tell the difference there. Totally, this portion has been done. Look at that, before, after, before, after. It's like night and day. So yeah, I'm gonna continue working. All right everyone, so I want you to see this work in progress. It's definitely turning out beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm about to do now is go on to the other side and continue working. So then after that, I'm gonna have to get into a somewhat physically uncomfortable position to polish underneath this wing. Just to really seal up that metal, and also to degrease this section right here and to polish that. So just keep going. It should be done here in the next 4 or 5 hours, and got a lot of work. So now wrapped up, and as you can see, turned out absolutely beautiful. Turned out gorgeous. I'm going to give you a thorough walk around here. So as you can see, wings are completely done. You can see the reflection of the clouds in here. Looks gorgeous. All this is done. Coming around, coming back. See this?